सुबह का वक्त चुना, पीएम मोदी ने वोट कास्ट करने के लिए अपना वोट डाला। दीपाली, आपसे चाहेंगे, जो हम बातचीत कर रहे थे कि यूपी की खास 10 सीटें हैं, वहां का की इशू के बारे में अगर वहां की बात करें तो उसके बारे में जल्दी से आपसे जानना चाहेंगे।
बिल्कुल श्वेता, and Prime Minister has sent a very strong message that go to polling early in the day so that you will be saved from the scorching sun. For now, let's take a look at some of the key issues that may come up for voting when people go to cast vote in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Number one on the list is poor infrastructure. Now, it's one of the largest states. Uttar Pradesh is one of the largest states, and it is also the most populous state in the nation. But at the same time, poor infrastructure has been an inconvenience for the people. And urban flooding, we know, drainage issues, they have been common in this state. Second, we have unresolved farmers' issues. Of course, this is a simmering issue, especially for farmers from Western Uttar Pradesh who joined the protest by the Sanyog Kisan Morcha. Then we have rising communalization as a Hindi heartland, center of Hindi heartland rather. There has been instances of hate speech and violence against religious minorities that will come up when voters go to cast their votes at their polling booths. Then paper leaks and unemployment. Of course, recent paper leaks. There are UP board exam paper leak. Then we also had the constable exam paper leak, which was cancelled because of the paper leak. Then employment, it's not just limited to Uttar Pradesh, but rather a boiling issue nationwide. Then state of law and order. Now, Uttar Pradesh, unfortunately, is infamous for its crime rate. So that is one more issue that the voters will keep in mind when they go out to polls. Some of the key issues, Shweta, in the state of Uttar Pradesh.
बिल्कुल दीपाली हमारे साथ ये, और जल्दी से चुनाव से जुड़ी कुछ अन्य खबरों का रुख कर लेते हैं। जल्दी से एक नजर में देख लेते हैं कुछ चुनावी खबरें।